The Illuminati, for as far as I'm concerned, isn't even real, man. I don't know anybody who's in the Illuminati. I know Jay-Z personally. I know Kanye personally. Pharrell personally. Anybody you would think is in the Illuminati that's in rap, if it is real, I strongly doubt anybody's involved with that. I strongly doubt anybody's involved with that. I strongly doubt anybody's involved with that.
Hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. Right here on my lap.
Strongly doubt anybody's involved with that. You know, the type of success and type of blessings people have that we couldn't get without God. And you know, I've specifically been in the studio with Jay-Z and Kanye, and they've been like, man, God is in this session. God is here. Like Jesus, like, man, we rock them Jesus pieces for real. That's not just because it's fresh, because it's some real belief in there.
No, I don't want to fucking be Christ-like. I want to be me-like.
We've been in the studio with Jay-Z and Kanye, and they've been like, man, God is in this session. Jesus, like, man,
I don't want to fucking be Christ-like.
And when I perish, the meek shall inherit the earth. Till that time it's on and poppin' church.
That's my word. I never read the Bible in my life.
That's my word. I never read the Bible in my life.
To the city, you're a virgin, and Jesus can't save you. Life starts when the church ends.
And Jesus can't save you. Life starts when the church ends.
So, man, the Illuminati, man, I feel like it's just some bullshit. But hey, you entitled to your own opinion, though.